Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Financial district at the tip of Manhattan is easily.
Hey guys, how you doing? Happy Monday to you guys. For you guys who are new to the channel, I'm a new day trader trying to document every single thing every day, trying to see where I'm going wrong, where I'm doing right. And right now we're entering around that almost 7 weeks mark since I started, and so far so good. So let's try to break it down what happened today. So I traded LAZR, and this one seems to be my favorite so far, but it's also been paying me pretty well, so I'm not going to be complaining too much. But I need to also keep in mind that I am very focused within this one stock, and that might lead to some trouble in the future, because if I just am very comfortable with only trading one stock, I'm not expanding my horizon here. So let me show you what my plan was this morning when I got in. I was going to short MVIS, and the reason with that is I was going to short MVIS if it hit around the 530, 545 mark. And the 530 and 545 mark, so you see these lines right here, I put these lines the day before. And the reason why I did that is I was looking at the resistance from the day before, and 540 and 530, 535 there were the ones resistance I was looking at. And I was thinking that if it bounces up really quickly in the morning, hits those target, I'm going to short it. But as soon as the bell opened, it kind of just slowly set. Like it wasn't really moving up to those targets as fast as I wanted to go. So when I saw it dump and just slowly go up higher and higher, I was like, you know what, this might not be the right play. Another stock I was thinking of shorting was Joe. Okay, and the reason for this one is if you look at the daily, it's so overextended, and I was like, okay, this might be a good one. But the thing is, I was kind of very hesitant on this one because the way that it's just slowly going up like that seems a little bit of like algo trading. And what algo trading is, which I'm still trying to understand what it is just a lot of the market is traded by algorithm computers that just buy and sell based on whatever data they have in there. So, and when they see a stock that doesn't trade that much, this is considerably very low volume stock. So they tend to, I guess, manipulate in a sense. they kind of see where the algorithm would work the best and take advantage of those things. So it went up and up and up, and this morning when it's opened, it just looked so choppy. You know, it looks pretty ugly, and I think I'm happy I didn't trade this, because looking at the daily charts, it does fit my criteria, the fact that it's overextended, but now I need to add more to my criteria that I think volume needs to be at least over 3 million traded for that day, just for it to work better, or otherwise it's going to be really choppy like this. So I was looking at that and all this good stuff. Then I came across LAZR, which I still wanted to short this right now, to be honest. Yeah. God damn it. That would have been really good shorts. Anyways, I'm up 583 or $88, so that's no big deal. So I'll tell you guys why I traded this stock right here. Ah, that is so painful. Look at that. I think I don't want to make a prediction here, but I think ideally I would look, oh my god, mamma mia, Mario ate my pizza. Alright, anyways, let's try to control emotions here. So I saw this thing in the morning just rip off, and I was like, oh, okay, cool, like this is a huge jump. It's hitting the 3150 mark, and I'm looking at the daily, and it's around here for that. So I was like, you know what, like I think it's a good chance like this is gonna come down. So I start shorting this guy. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh mamma mia. Mario. Oh my god. See? You see a stock like this gets you speaking Italian. Gets you fucking fluent in Italian. Alright, so I got in around here. Then I added a little bit here. When it went up here, I'm adding like anywhere from 50 to 100 shares at a time to reach a maximum shares of 500. Oh, no, sorry, 650. Then boom, added, and when this drop happened here, I was like, oh, I think she's gonna tank. Then I added like 50 shares. Then I saw the next candle just do a quick reversal the other way. I was like, oh crap. So I sold like 100 here, then 100 here. Then when I saw how strong this candle was, I just got out from this trade. And in total, I was down, I think $140 or so out of this. Then when this happened, it went up to this mark. Then I just got in pretty heavy. Got in like 200. Then I saw this bounce coming, and I just felt like this might go against me. So I sold a little bit, so I was only down like probably 80 bucks. Then I was trying to add heavy here, but this kind of went down. So I think I had only 200 shares on this one. So when it went down here, I sold 100 here and 100 here, which brought me up to I think around 240. Then over here, I was slowly scaling more. Then I scaled more here, and when I saw this pop, I freaked out and sold everything. And I saw it coming down. I was like, okay, now I need it to come down and go up again and fail to go past this resistance. So when it went down, and I added a little bit, and when it went up here, I added the bulk of my trade. Then I sold everything here, and I was up, I think, $500. And this is where things got a little bit iffy. This is where my over trading came in, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit emotional coming in, you know. And this wasn't even a market emotion. This was just like external life emotion that I'm just dealing with. So I had to, I don't know, I thought I recognized it when I came in, but I guess I didn't. But yeah, it's good to just kind of have a good self-analysis of yourself before you trade. Just be like, hey, am I being an emotional little bitch right now coming into this market? Did that event that happened in my life outside of the market, is it gonna affect me? Because for some reason, when I was buying here, I was like, because I was up 500 bucks, I was like, I don't need to go anymore. Then I was like, here, you know what, fuck it. What would make me feel so good right now is if I made like $1,000, like, which is ludicrous because I'm a new investor, a new trader. I don't need to be thinking like that. The fact that I even made $588 is like, that's amazing. So I tried to go in heavy here. Then something told me, no, you're fucking up, go and do it. And I had it like a $60 loss. So I was like, all right, you know what? I mitigated my emotions. Nope. So in here, I saw this thing go up higher. I was like, you know what? Like, this is gonna be a very good short. So I got in here, and when it went down, I think I had like 300 shares before it went down here. And the reason again is it went up quite a bit, and I just felt like it's not gonna hold that gain because at this point it was already up like, you know, 20% or so. So I was like, you know what, like, that's quite a bit up for it. It's probably gonna start slowly going down. So I got in with 300 shares, got out with 100 here, and when I saw this reversal going on, I got out with 50, 50, 50. Then on this one, I just added like 400. Then from 33.75 all the way to 34.90, I held that. and I got absolutely like screwed. So when this thing was coming down, I was slowly scaling out. So at this point, I was only up 260 bucks. So now I'm pissed, I'm emotional, I'm thinking about my other stuff in life, and I got in here, and in here, I was like, if I'm gonna get in again, I have to really think about what I'm gonna do. So I was looking at this, and I was like, why is it having such a hard time here? So, and let's look at that. It's around the 34.80 mark. Okay, let's go back. Let's go way back. So I saw this and I was like, I think it's using this as a resistance right here. So I went back and I loaded. So I was buying in and out because I was just afraid, because I was already down 200, and sorry, I was only up $246 from being up at $500 at one point. And I was like, this is Monday, because usually if I'm going on Monday, I want to hold on to it because that provides me with the cushion for the week, right? And if I'm starting Monday red, I just feel like I'm not going to be trading as well, you know? And that's just something I got to work on, is being not emotional, but that's just the reality of this occupation. Everyone is very emotional when they first start, you know? Like, there's a reason why Warren Buffett makes a shit ton of money, because he's not emotional. So I think I had 100 shares when this guy started going down. Then I added more here. Then I added like 200 more here. Then I got out. Then I bought, I think I bought like 200 more here. So I got out here. I bought 200 more and sold here. And yeah, that brought me up to $588. So I wouldn't say this is an amazing trade by any means. Oh god, I feel like this would be a good short right now. But no, I'm not gonna touch it. But I'm up $588. I just feel like there was a lot of opportunities today, a lot of movement, even with like the Bitcoin sector, which like I was so all over this before the jump. Then once I had the jump, I've not been touching it. But there's been so many different opportunities to play here, and it's been tough because the emotion is something I really got to work on. But I'm up 600 bucks, so I'm not gonna complain at all. And my goal now is gonna be try to, you know, slowly just kind of add more to that, not trying to focus too much on the home runs. If I can make $300 a day for the rest of the week, I'll be super stoked. Another thing that I came across is since it's Christmas time, from reading vlogs and like kind of reading stock tweets and stuff, people have been mentioning how you got to be a little bit more careful during holiday trading. Volume tends to dry out, or people tend to be a little bit more irrational, and that's just something that I've never come across, right? So I need to really kind of think about that as I start trading the next few days. But yeah, beside that, it's been not bad, up $600. Just keep studying hard, guys, and just keep going at it. And I think in no time we're gonna be rich as fuck. In no time we're gonna be seeing P&L of 10 grand a day, you know. But I think we need a lot of chart time and a lot of just good market analysis exposure for us to get to that level. So again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys on the next day's trade recap.